Exploring transformations in computer graphics. So, welcome to my presentation about this topic. So, the first one is basic transformations, which is the translation, rotation, and scaling. Basic transformations refer to fundamental geometric operations such as translation, rotation, and scaling that are commonly used in computer graphics, computer vision, and animation. So the first one is translation. This involves moving an object from one position to another by a certain distance along a specified direction. In a 2D space, it's typically described by two values, which is the dx and dy, representing the amount of horizontal and vertical displacement respectively. So the second one is rotation. Rotation involves changing the orientation of an object around a fixed point called the center of rotation. In 2D, it's usually described by an angle of rotation. So the last one is scaling. Scaling involves resizing an object. It can be uniform, where the object is scaled equally in all dimensions, or non-uniform, where different scaling factors are applied along different axes. So next is transformations for complex movements. Transformations for complex movements typically involve combinations of basic transformations applied sequentially or simultaneously to achieve more complex effects. For instance, you might first translate an object, then rotate it, and finally scale it. So next is advanced transformations. Advanced transformations such as perspective transformations involve projecting 3D objects onto a 2D plane, taking into account the effects of distance and viewing angle. This is crucial for creating realistic scenes in computer graphics and rendering, as it simulates how objects appear smaller as they move farther away and how parallel lines converge at a vanishing point. So that's all for today. Thank you.